I think what we're hoping to do is to persuade Saddam Hussein to designate another corner of the British aerospace factory as an Iraqi.
Can I begin by asking you about the war against terror? How is it going?
Well, I'll make no bones about it. It's frightening. It's well, you would expect that, really, but by its very nature, terror is frightening. If it weren't, it wouldn't be worth having a war against it, would it? Would it? I mean,
The problem is, I suppose, that you don't know really who the enemy is.
No, exactly. You see, the people we're up against, there could be anybody.
Yes. So what you're saying is that you're incapable of dealing with this enemy.
Well, I am, certainly. A completely different kind of operation. You need to go undercover and infiltrate these people. I couldn't do that.
No.
Not dressed like this, certainly. I'd be spotted, you see, before very long.
You would, wouldn't you?
Yes.
So in fact, you are saying that you're completely unprepared for this war.
No, I don't say we're very completely unprepared. No.
So, what is the answer?
Iraq.
You mean you're going to persuade Iraq to fight terrorism for you?
No. No, we're going to have a war with Iraq. And when I say a war, we're going to be a proper war. We're very confident. We're very confident because quite a number of very advanced new weapon systems coming on stream. What we're hoping to do is to persuade Saddam Hussein to designate another corner of the British aerospace factory as an Iraqi.
All these delays and the amount of money spent and nothing seems to work. I mean, how effectively can Britain make a contribution to this war that is going to take place?
We can make a very, very significant contribution.
And what's that?
Well, it'll be rather like Afghanistan. The Americans will bomb it to rubble, and then John Simpson will liberate it.
General, thank you very much indeed.